Good morning, brothers and sisters. Ngayong araw po, i-recite ko po ang Psalm chapter 23. Psalm chapter 23, verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Verse 2. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. Verse 3. He restores my soul. He leads me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Verse 4. Yet though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. Verse 5. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup runs over. Verse 6. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house